Hey guys, this is my second StoneTech ramps review, and yeah, this one is a table grind, and it's only $15 on their eBay store or on StoneTechRamps.com. And also you get a free tech deck with it, so that's pretty cool. So now I'll show you some of the details of this table grind. So this StoneTech ramp, the table grind, is really cool. It has StoneTech ramps on it, and once again it's like a hard foam, and it's really good. It has these rails that are really cool, and they're like metal and good, and it's cool because it's like a bench, and so you can grind here too. And so, yeah. And so, yeah, this is only $15, and I would recommend it. So listen to this. Yeah, that's pretty smooth. Now listen to this tech deck one. Yeah, that's not that smooth. So, I mean, I do like tech deck ramps, but StoneTech ramps is a lot better. StoneTech ramps, like all of them, they have padding right here, and it really helps because you can put it on tables without worrying about it getting scratched. And yeah, all of the ramps do, so that's one more good addition to the ramps.